Oh my gosh, who knew that being a freaking TikTok creator would be so freaking hard? I swear to God. Ah! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gummy. If you're new here, welcome. I am doing a series currently on how to grow your TikTok and how to actually succeed on TikTok as a creator. And if you would like more of these videos, do comment down below and tell me what you're looking for, and I'll try and get that into the schedule somehow. So let's get right into the video, guys. I would just like to start this video off with this very note right here. If you are wanting to grow your TikTok, do not go and buy followers. It is not a good thing. It is very bad for your account. It's not a good thing. So don't try and buy followers. It just gets a lot of bots in your account and you might even get banned for it. So just don't buy TikTok followers. No matter no matter who tells you what, just don't do it. It's not a good idea. Just don't do it. Okay, so starting from fresh, you just made your TikTok account, and the first thing that you need to think of is, what is your niche going to be? And if you do not know what a niche is, it is a category of videos, or like what category or genre are you gonna be in TikTok. Like for instance, I am in the gamer side or the cosplayer side of TikTok. If you want to be a cook on TikTok, you can be a cook, or if you know anything you want to be. But the thing is, this is what happens with a niche, is you have to stick to it. That is the only not nice thing about TikTok. Like if, for instance, I do cosplay videos and gaming videos, and if I all of a sudden go, I want to make a pie today, so I'm gonna post a video of me showing everybody how to make a pie. TikTok is not gonna push that out as well because that's not my niche, you know. It's like watching the cooking channel and randomly you get a video of Disney and the 12 Dancing Princesses. It just doesn't work out. So if you do pick a niche, just know that you're gonna have to stay in that genre. And if you do change, your views are gonna plummet so freaking much. So just be careful about that. A lot of people think there is a algorithm to TikTok. Let me tell you now already, in the beginning, there is really no algorithm on TikTok. Like, it doesn't even exist. People say that just because they want to push videos out, but it doesn't really work. The algorithm is not a thing. TikTok does what it wants. If it wants your video to go viral, it will. If it doesn't, it don't. It's literally a hit or a miss on TikTok. You can never think, or you can never say like, this is gonna be my video, I'm gonna blow up with this video. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. So it's literally every video is a different situation. It is a hit or a miss on TikTok. So don't be too sad if it doesn't work out for you at first. Some random person, for example, Bella Porsche, she did random videos, one of her videos went viral, and bada bing bada boom, she's in the millions now. So it takes one video. But yeah. Okay, so you started TikTok, you picked a niche. What is next is actually posting videos. You actually need to post videos, you know, apparently. So with your video posting, my first tip would be your lighting. One of the biggest things of TikTok videos, they push out the quality videos. So if you have a video that doesn't have good quality lighting, or you can hardly even see what's going on in the video, TikTok does not like to push out low quality videos. They love to push out very good quality videos. So maybe try and get a ring light if you can, or even just record videos during the day, or by a window that has a lot of light showing on you, so you can actually see what's happening in the video. Another little tip I would like to give you guys is, if you want to do lip syncing videos, please practice it and try and at least try and get a little better at the lip syncing, because a lot of people on TikTok, they do not know how to lip sync, and you can see it obviously a mile away, and a lot of people's videos just don't do well because their lip syncing is really off. But if you want to do lip syncing videos on TikTok, please be sure to practice your lip syncing skills, if you want to call it that. So yeah. The next tip I have is to follow trends and trending sounds. If you don't know what a trend is, if you see one person do the renegade, the next video is also a renegade, that's probably a trend. If you on TikTok and within 5 minutes, if there is two of the same type of videos doing the same dance or the same audio, it is trending. That is one thing on TikTok that is really annoying, is the freaking trends. Sometimes they're really shitty, but you're just gonna have to roll with it. Even if you want to make the sound your own, you don't have to do the exact same dance. If, say for instance, you are a chef on TikTok, how the hell are you gonna do a dance in the kitchen like a renegade in a pot? Like, I'm gonna be standing by the pot doing the renegade while I'm cooking. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is use the sound that is trending and use it to your advantage. So maybe make a little cake while you're using the renegade song or whatever you really like, whatever you want to do with it. Just make it yours. But you don't have to do the actual thing. Just use the sounds every now and then, because TikTok does push out videos that uses the trending sounds. So keep that in mind when you're making videos. The next tip I have for you guys is try to post as much as you can. So what I do, actually, I have 1.9 million followers on my TikTok account, and I don't make videos every day, but I do post every day. I post 2 videos every day, and what I do is I make drafts. Practically all your big creators on TikTok, they don't just randomly make 5 videos a day and post daily. No, they do drafts. They actually say now I'm in this outfit and I want to do a few dance. I use a few different sounds that I want and I put them as drafts so that the next day I won't have to do more videos. I just need to post the drafts. So if you really want, find a few songs or find a few audios that you would like to do or a few video ideas and do them today. Do like 10 today so that you can post 3 to 5 today, and tomorrow you can also post another 3 to 5 videos. I would suggest, if you are a beginner on TikTok, you should be posting as much as you can every day if you can. Like, I post every single day, but I only do 2. But if you're a beginner, post as much as you can. I can't stress that enough. The more you post, the more people see your videos, the more people follow you. So if that makes sense, the more you post, obviously more people are gonna see it, the more followers you get. You got it. Okay, so the next tip or trick, I guess you want to call it that, is when you get around 500 to 1,000 followers, I'm not quite sure what the numbers are, but it's either around 500 to 1,000, you can change your TikTok account into a business account. And this is why this is so good, is because when you're a business account on TikTok, you have access to the analytics of your videos and your profile. And what that practically helps you do is, if you get your analytics for your profile and your videos, you can see what genre is most popular with you. Like for me, I have half girls, half guys, so you know which is your audience that you're looking at. You can also see where your viewers are from, like where your followers, like are they from the US, the UK, or Australia, wherever, you know. And the better part of this is you can also see which times your followers are most active. And this you can use to your advantage, because you can post videos when your followers are mostly online. That means most of your people are going to see them. So obviously the more people see your video, the more it gets pushed out. So if you use that to your advantage, you know, you know. And the last tip I have for you guys today is when you hit 500 to 1,000, it used to be 1,000 followers, but I'm not sure anymore if it's 500, but you can do live streams on TikTok. And live streams are a very fun way to interact with your viewers, your followers, and you can also make a few extra followers in that line of streaming, I guess. Yeah, and you can also, if you are of age, you can also start earning money from TikTok. If you guys would like tips and tricks on how to actually earn money from TikTok and become a full-time content creator and TikToker, I guess, I will be doing another video next week, Thursday, about how to earn money on TikTok. So stay tuned for that one. I hope this video helped you out a lot. Don't forget to put your TikTok handle in the comments below, because I want to see you guys grow. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye!